Hi guys, just 5 of us here. Today we're gonna open more of the Mini Brands Minis Filled the Fridge. My mom got me these two. If you guys are interested in a budgeting video or saving money, I will link her channel below. But she got me these to open, so we're gonna open these two first, and if we have time, we'll open all 4. Alright, let's jump on into it. If you've seen my past videos, we'll go over the checklist at the end and you can tell me which ones you guys are wanting. I'm wanting the eggs. I still have not got the eggs. We've gotten the ice, the fruit tray. That was some really good tear strips. Alright. Ball number 1. Our magnet is a duplicate. We already have that magnet. Bag number 1 is a turmeric shot, which we have. Bag number 2 is the eggplants, which is also a duplicate. Bag number 3, we do not have these crispy tater tots. That's a new one. Bag number 4, we got Cool Whip. That's a new one. Bag number 5, Eggo Homestyle Waffles. We do have those, so that is a duplicate. Last bag for the first bowl. And we got broccoli, which is another duplicate. Let's grab our duplicate trash can. Here's our duplicate trash can. Put all of our duplicates in. It's getting pretty full. Alright. Let's put our 2 new things away. Our tater tots in there and our Cool Whip. Okay, ball number 2. Another good tear strip. I'm on a roll today. Alright. What is in ball number 2? We have the ice cream magnet. That is a duplicate. Bag number 1. A Pizza Hut box. Let's see what pizza we got. We already have that. That's the pineapple pizza. It's a duplicate. We got the milk. This is a new one. Fresh milk. We do not have the milk yet. Next bag. Chocolate syrup. That is a duplicate. We got the eggs! No way! Oh, I don't know if I can get this open. Very carefully. Look at the little eggs! We finally have eggs to put in our egg thing. Let's see if I can do it with my fingers. Look how little they are. Put them in our egg tray. This is so exciting. I'm gonna put 4 of them. Look how cute the little egg carton is. Beautiful. Love it. Awesome. Alright. Next bag. So the lamb chops. That is a duplicate. Last bag is, oh, another new one. Zesty Italian. Let's put that in our fridge with all our other sauces. And put our milk in our fridge. Our fridge is getting full on the condiment side. Where's our cheese? Our cheese should be over there. Alright. We got enough time. Let's open the last 2 balls. And then I'm going to have to make another trip to the store and buy some more. But 100% worth the balls because we got the eggs. We love the eggs. That's just awesome. Another good tear strip. Man, what is with today? We got a new magnet here. Let's clean our last duplicates up. Those go in our duplicate trash can. A new magnet. Not sure what it is. It kind of looks like a face. What do you think? Okay. Bag number 1. A Pizza Hut box. Let's see if I can easily open it. Yeah. We got the wings again. We already have the wings, so that's a duplicate. Another bottle of water. That's a duplicate. We got the lobster. We do not have him. That is awesome. So that's our first lobster. Next bag. Crispy tater tots. We just got that in another bowl. Next bag. We don't have this one either. The oats jar. Looks like overnight oats. It's awesome. Love it. Another new one. Alright, last bag for this one. And we got a new Olipop. Tropical Punch. So that's our second Olipop. It'll go beside our strawberry. I want to get all the Olipops. But everything so far today has been exciting. We'll put our lobster with our fish and our lamb chops. Alright. Duplicates go in the duplicate trash can. Last one. And then I'm going to have to buy more. Another good tear strip. Alright, let's see what we got. We already have the egg avocado toast magnet. That is a duplicate. Bag 1. Turmeric shop, duplicate. Bag 2. We got more eggs! 2 sets of eggs in one day. No way. No way. Bag number, I don't even know. Another home style waffles, duplicate. Next bag. Oh, this is a new one. Oven roasted deli turkey. Awesome. Don't have any deli meats. Annie's pretzel dogs. We already have that. That is a duplicate. Last one. And another oats jar, which is now a duplicate. I'm so excited. We got 2 things of eggs in one day. That is awesome. Soon our whole egg tray is going to be full. Let's put our meat with our meat. Whoa now. Stay right there. Please don't fall over. Don't know what our fruit tray is doing in our door. There we go. Our fridge is looking full. Here, I'll bring it up so you guys can see it close up. We got quite a bit so far. Let's check off what we got today super fast. I'm still wanting to create the lollipop or the popsicles. Let's see. We got the eggs. So let's check off the eggs. Awesome. We got the Tropical Punch Lollipop. Another good find. We got the Oven Roasted Turkey. Another good find. Let's see. We got a new magnet. The food on a board. Got the lobster. We got the oats. We got the milk. This page is filling up. We got most of those. We need some more of the Pizza Hut things. We got the tater tots. Got the Cool Whip. And we got the dressing. We're getting really close to having all of them. We need quite a few more magnets. And a few more drinks. Don't have any of the Panda Express. And we don't have any of the IHOP. I'm wanting the IHOP. But that is all for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.